Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create this really cool grainy gradient text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. We're obviously going to start off with writing our text. Let's make it black so we can see it properly. I'm obviously going to change font. Let's do this one. It looks fun. Right. Once we have our text, let's double click on our text layer. The layer style window will pop up, and in here we're going to add a gradient overlay. And click on your gradient. We want the gradient to go from black to white to black again. So this is what we'll do. We'll adjust the position. White, we want it in the middle. So let's go for location 50, and then let's push these a little towards the center. So let's do 90, and then let's do 10 over here. You can obviously play around with all these effects later on if you want to change the vibe or the angle of it. But this is looking good. Press OK. I'll then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, Convert to Smart Object, and I'll add quite a bit, like 25. Press OK. I'll then double click on the layer and add a stroke. I want it to be outside, and I want it to be the same color of my main gradient, which is black, and choose the size of it, something like this. What I'm going to do next is basically add a threshold effect. And you can play around with this little slider to adjust the strength of this gradient. What I usually do at the end is in the Adjustments tab, just add a gradient map. And you can choose the two colors you want to use. For example, let's say we want to use a cream color and a blue. Maybe this light blue. Press OK and then reverse it. And there's our gradient text. Cool thing about doing this method is if you double click on your text thumbnail, your text is still fully editable. So you can change it up anytime you need and then just save it, and it will update on your main file window, which is sick. And that's basically it. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. Feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!